serious dilemma as well with tires.
I've never had two blow out to me, but I'm not surprised with these two.
Yeah.
I knew they were vulnerable.
Yeah,
I'm gonna give them just like a piece of grass here, fam. All I have.
Yeah.
Yeah, let this be the strength.
Right.
Let this
And the package is there. Represent. Yeah guys, so I'm up on active and we stop by Total. Yeah man, helping out with a tire, what I say? A flat tire. Yeah man, this is Total Energy in all over guys. So you know energy go? Come on yard man. Up on active and I take on the road. As well we should. Yeah man, one step at a time, slowly but surely. You know the energy come down. And that they are doing right. That's it. Hey guys. Total Energy, this is all over guys. Look at that. Damn man. We've been here for quite some time. You can't follow me yet. So let's take on the exit. That's it. Exit. We're going on the road. On the road. Michael gone inside to get something to catch up in. Well, not catch up in his stomach. He's doing the usual business. Top of the night guys. Yeah man, let's chit chat for a few. I've been up and active well most of the day. Yeah man, and the funniest thing about it, I got the opportunity to meet up and greet with a young man. Yeah man, but anyway, sometimes it's, for me it's a blessing to get to meet with great minds. Yeah man, and I believe this young man will grow to be one of the next greatest thing I had. Yeah man, crazy talent, but sometimes words just can't explain. Yeah man, you have to just leave things to time and let it manifest. Yeah man, I'm a bit stuffy guys, I don't know why now. Yeah man, but life is what it is. I invite you all to watch this here video so you know the energy go. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, and there is a few shout out that I want to give. Yeah man, I want to give my new subs, all my new subs. Yeah man, a special shout out to y'all. Keep getting up, keep getting out there and doing the one right thing. Yeah man, this is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life. I tell us, yo, walk with faith. Yeah man, I love and love alone guys. Yeah man, the energy not change. Sometimes you have your moments where you go through your ups and downs, but you know it's some go. You have to know, stand strong.
He was supposed to be going to get the injection.
Oh, what? Garbage bag full of paper towels. It's not ours. Shit. Hey! How was school? Share cookies together. Like an uncle and a nephew. Wait, not your uncle. Like your cousin.
Top of the afternoon, guys. I actually got the opportunity to visit. Just pass through the community of Spaldings. Yeah, man. All that y'all see now is what I've seen, and it's a rough task, you know. But anyway, I'm up and active, and you know, it's something go. Oh, there, yeah, there, chuckle. Steaming at least. Yeah, man. Up and active. That is it, bro. Yeah, guys. So, as I said from before, this is what I see so far. This is what I see, y'all, that y'all are seeing, and it doesn't look pretty. Yeah, man. But anyway, up and active, and we'll take on back the road and head on back home. Kingston, St. Thomas, here we come. Yeah, man, this is yard as is. Jamaica yard life. Now up on the road and we steaming. Watch the road, bro. Watch the road.
Blood clot!
Yo, the man that drive provider, bro. You have to watch the road. Yeah, man, guys, we're up and active. Yeah, man, we're steaming at the moment. That's that code. Yeah, man.
Some cheese bread.
Yeah, we beating it local. Funny enough, you know, I grab one of them can
Where
when
the
we get back.
Yeah, oh, on the way up?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that smells good.
Yeah, man, the can are buzz, man. Even though they're tough, them actually, they're nice. Some like it. Some like them. Then them are feel hard.
Can be too
Yeah,
soft.
bro. Yeah, bro. The sweet corn and the other one, they're nice. To me, but the native corn, fine. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. But anyway, guys, as me say, come my yard, man. I'm sure y'all how the corn situate. But it's very, very nice for me. Little butter and it a buzz. Yeah, man. Big bro, I enjoy him. I call it cheese bread. Yeah, man. All courtesy, yeah. Where that's a yard as is. That is it. Yeah, man. Up and out, guys. Today we are chatting and we grab a few footage before now, so y'all can just soak up a bit of the energy, and then y'all can come back and do some more sightseeing with me.
myself. Can't cross it. Nobody gonna cross it. Nobody gonna cross it.
Bro. Yeah guys, if you watch the video to this far, you know, the energy go will come into an end. Yeah, man. I want to say thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. And you know the energy come down. Yeah, man. Until next time. Yeah, that's it. No preservative, no additive. Remember now. One love, one heart. And another special shout out. You know, energy come down. One love, Mummy Maxine. Yeah, man. I do appreciate the support. Yeah, man. One love to you, the whole family, the whole team. That are code. Yeah, man. Blessings and blessings abundant. You know, it's something good, guys. We up and out. Yeah, man. So catch y'all next vlog. That is it.